In this video, we will learn how to mount the camera and the IPC, connect them, and capture images using camera. Take out items from the camera package. These items include the camera, screws, cable ties, etc. These items also include the IPC and the calibration board. After checking all the items, mount the camera to the camera mounting frame and use screws to secure it. Please remember to remove the lens protective films for a new camera. After the camera is secured, connect the power cable and Ethernet cable of the camera. The power cable has a 4-pin M12 connector and is installed on the DC24V interface, while the Ethernet cable has an 8-pin M12 connector and is installed on the Ethernet port. Do not force the installation of the cables. Connect the power cable of the IPC and connect the HDMI cable to the monitor. Power on the IPC, power on the camera, and connect the Ethernet cable of the camera to the IPC. Insert the dongle. Connect the robot to the IPC. Insert the Ethernet cable on the side of the IPC. Insert the Ethernet cable on the side of the robot control cabinet. The LED indicators will be lit as shown here. After hardware connection, open Mech-Mind viewer, select the camera to connect and click the setting icon to modify the camera IP address. Please make sure that the IP address of the camera must be in the same subnet as that of the IPC. After modifying the camera's IP address, connect the camera. Then you can capture images.